Venice, with its winding canals, ornate palaces, and historic sites, is full of beautiful spots to explore. Here are some of the best places to visit in Venice. Piazza San Marco, St. Mark's Square. Venice's most famous square is home to St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture with stunning mosaics. Nearby, St. Mark's Campanile offers panoramic views of Venice from the top. Doge's Palace, Palazzo Ducale, is another must-see in the square, with its Gothic architecture and historical significance as the seat of Venetian political power. Grand Canal, the main waterway of Venice, lined with beautiful buildings, palaces, and restaurants. Take a vaporetto, water bus, or a gondola ride to see the famous Rialto Bridge and the charming buildings along the canal. Rialto Bridge and Market. The Rialto Bridge is an iconic landmark and offers wonderful views over the Grand Canal. Nearby, the Rialto Market is bustling with local life, where you can find fresh seafood, fruits, and other Venetian delicacies. Gallery dell'Accademia. This art museum has a remarkable collection of Venetian art from the 14th to 18th centuries, including works by Titian, Tintoretto, and Veronese. Murano and Burano Islands. Take a day trip to these picturesque islands. Murano is famous for its glass-blowing industry, and you can watch artisans at work. Burano is known for its brightly colored houses and lace-making. Teatro La Fenice, Venice's most famous opera house, known for its grand architecture and role in the history of opera. Even if you don't attend a performance, the interior is worth a visit. Peggy Guggenheim Collection, located along the Grand Canal, this modern art museum houses works by Picasso, Pollock, and others. It's also set in Peggy Guggenheim's former home, the Palazzo Venier dei Leoni, Scuola Grande di San Rocco, a stunning building filled with paintings by Tintoretto, including his Grand Crucifixion painting. This historic guild building is an art lover's paradise. Santa Maria della Salute, a beautiful basilica located at the entrance to the Grand Canal, built in thanksgiving for the end of a plague. Its unique octagonal design and Baroque architecture make it a standout. Hidden canals and bridges. Away from the busy tourist spots, explore the quieter canals and charming bridges of Venice, like Ponte dell'Accademia. Venice's beauty often shines brightest in its hidden, less crowded areas. Each of these places showcases Venice's unique charm, history, and art, giving you a true taste of the city's vibrant spirit. Friends, I am Khairul Islam Badal. I am Recharge on Google Art Studio and 4K high-resolution video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like then subscribe. You can see new videos like this every day.